When considering Astrill VPN, there are 12 key things you should know before making a purchase. Unlike some other VPN services, Astrill offers a blend of solid security, performance, and customer support, but it may not be the best fit for everyone. Let's dive into what you need to know before committing. First, Astrill VPN is known for its impressive server network, with over 300 servers in more than 60 countries. While it's not the largest, it still offers great coverage, especially in regions like Asia and the Middle East, where some competitors might struggle. Next, one of its standout features is the speed. Astrill VPN consistently delivers fast speeds, even on distant servers. This is especially important if you plan to stream or play games online, as lag and buffering can be a deal breaker. However, some other VPNs, like ExpressVPN, have slightly better overall performance in certain regions, so keep that in mind. The third thing you'll want to consider is security. Astrill uses AES 256 encryption, which is the gold standard in the industry, and it also supports OpenVPN and WireGuard protocols for added flexibility. While it's secure, some competitors like NordVPN offer even more advanced security features, like double VPN and obfuscated servers, which can be a better choice for privacy-conscious users. The fourth thing to know is that Astrill VPN works well in restrictive countries. If you're in a region with heavy censorship like China or the UAE, Astrill has a special feature called Stealth VPN. It allows you to bypass restrictions and access blocked content. This is a huge advantage over many VPNs that struggle to get past government firewalls. Moving on, Astrill supports a wide range of devices, including Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Android, and even routers. This makes it an excellent choice for those who want to protect all their devices with a single subscription. That said, some VPNs, like CyberGhost, offer more device compatibility, including smart TVs and gaming consoles. The sixth thing is its pricing. Astrill VPN is on the expensive side, especially compared to competitors like Surfshark and Private Internet Access, which often have cheaper plans. While Astrill's pricing can be justified by its high-quality service, it's worth considering if it fits your budget. The seventh point to consider is that Astrill offers a 7-day free trial, which is a nice touch. Most VPNs make you commit before giving you a chance to test the service, but Astrill lets you try before you buy. However, to get the most out of it, you'll need to sign up with a payment method, and the free trial is only available on certain plans. Next, Astrill is one of the few VPNs that offer multi-hop connections, which route your traffic through 2 servers for extra privacy. While this isn't necessary for most users, it's a nice feature if you're particularly privacy conscious. However, not all VPNs provide this feature, and some are better optimized for speed. The ninth thing is the customer support. Astrill offers 24/7 live chat support, which is a huge benefit. Their response time is fast, and they have knowledgeable agents who can help resolve issues quickly. This is something that sets them apart from other VPN providers, many of which have slower or less responsive support teams. The 10th thing you should know is that Astrill VPN has a no-logs policy. They do not track or store your online activities, which is crucial for privacy. However, like with any VPN, it's important to do your research into their privacy policy and jurisdiction. Astrill is based in Seychelles, which is a privacy-friendly location, but not all users may be comfortable with that. Moving on, Astrill VPN supports P2P file sharing, which is great if you're someone who downloads or shares files online. It's often difficult to find a VPN that reliably allows P2P without throttling speeds or restricting access to certain servers. Astrill handles it well, but again, services like NordVPN also support P2P with strong security measures. The 12th and final point is the device connection limits. Astrill allows you to connect up to 5 devices simultaneously, which is decent, but some competitors like Surfshark allow unlimited device connections. If you have a large household or multiple devices, this could be a limitation. All in all, Astrill VPN is a solid option for those looking for speed, security, and access in restrictive regions. However, if you want a better option